The first chakra is called tribal power chakra or family chakra because this chakra collects information from your tribe, family. So a tribe, it means a group of people you are associating with. So initially you had just family, but then you develop more tribes as you go. So a group of friends is your tribe, people at work, another tribe, a city where you live is a tribe, government is a tribe. So any groups, it means tribe, and they have power over a human. And this power affecting you. So this is first chakra energy. So this chakra is located at the base of your spine, at the bottom of your bottom, and it's around this color, or around this size and red color, like my dress. This chakra rotate, spin, usually clockwise in normal circumstances, and this chakra has the slowest speed of rotation. If you go higher on chakra level, higher chakras rotate faster. So the tribal chakra collect information from all your family members, culture, nationality, religion, if you had any religion, and it's also your ancestors in your first chakra. So everything what they experienced, their likes and dislikes, all their habits in the is located at the level of your first chakra. So you are never alone at the level of your first chakra. Anywhere you go, you bring all your ancestors with you. So on emotional level, the first chakra is responsible for the level of safety, security, and protection. You can test yourself now. Just ask yourself, how safe I am in my environment. If you have a healthy first chakra, you can go anywhere. You can go from one tribe to another, from one group to another, and you should feel safe, secure, supported, and protected. So if you don't feel safe, it means there is some problems in your first chakra and you need to heal it. It's all possible to heal. This chakra begins to vibrate at your birth till the age of 5. So at this period of time, from birth till 5 years of age, a baby has only one chakra is fully open and developing. A baby has other chakras also, but they are not fully open yet. So this is why before age of 5, a baby absorbs everything from the family as a sponge. So if a family members were maybe alcoholics or very negative people, a baby absorbs it as it is, without differentiating right or wrong, just absorb it. So a lot of programmings are located at the level of first chakra. So what else is in the level of first chakra? Superstitions. Do you have any superstitions? It's like a black cat, for example, or walking under the ladder. There are many superstitions. They are powerful. They have power over your consciousness. I remember I did a workshop once in a room where we had a ladder in the corner. And so when I asked people about superstitions, so somebody mentioned, okay, walking under the ladder. And I asked the person, are you connected to this superstition or not? And he said, no, absolutely not. So I asked him to walk under the ladder and pointed to the ladder, and he would refuse it. He would not go under the ladder because of the power of this superstition over his consciousness. But logically, he thought he is not connected to this superstition. Spells. Do you believe in spells or like an evil eye? It's true. Evil eyes, or like it's possible to put an evil eye on another person, but only at the level of first chakra. It's possible. A first chakra creates like a predisposition, like a programming that make you susceptible to this spell. Like one example of it is Australian Aboriginals. If an elder, Australian Aboriginal elder, point a bone on a member of his tribe, this tribal member will drop dead, physically dead, not emotionally or psychologically, physically dead, but it will only work on the members of his tribe. If an elder point a bone on a white person, nothing would happen to a white person, because a white person doesn't have this programming, tribal conditioning about this spell. So it's only work on members of the tribe. So when people talk about tribe spells, like or evil eye put on somebody, they talk about these things. And you can only put an evil eye on a person who have tribal programmings, like tribal fears that make them predisposed to a spell. So this is how it works. So now you may say, well, I born in Europe, I was born in Australia, or I was born in America. I don't have any superstitions. It was not in my family. But you're wrong. You're wrong, because we all are products of our tribal spells. Our tribe put a spell on you regarding your deepest vulnerabilities. And deepest vulnerabilities are usually connected to love, sex, or money. For example, you may ask, why do I always attract these losers or abusers? So all these partners come to me which I don't really like, but I stuck in a pattern of wrong relationships. But very often we attract people who somehow similar to our mother or father. So you attract them energetically because of the tribal programming, or like tribal spell. You see? So the reason why you attract wrong partners, your tribal spell. Another example, money. Many people complain, why do I always poor, like I have problems making money. You need to go back to your family and look at the tribal spells, what they put on you, like it's psyche spells in the consciousness. If your tribe believed that you have to be a crook, you have to be drug seller to be rich, or you have to work hard to make money, then you have this spell in you and you will be struggle to make money all your life. You can change it, but you need to go into your first chakra, feel the spell energetically and release it. To reprogram yourself, to reprogram your tribal spell. So tribal spells, programmings, they are quite deep and they become cellular memories. It's all possible to fix energetically if you do some work. Many illnesses are connected to the first chakra. I can tell you what organs are connected to the first chakra. Blood. All problems with blood, anemias, bleeding, even blood cancers like leukemia connected to the first chakra. Then bones, all problems with bones, arthritis, broken bones, osteoporosis, osteoarthritis connected to the first chakra. Joints, immune system. Immune system is the system that protects you from viruses, bacteria, and even cancer. So everything what is foreign to you should be eliminated if you have a good immune system. So if immune system malfunction, it means you will become sick, and your first chakra is actually responsible for this level of safety that make your immune system stable or unstable. Also, your skin, nervous system is connected to your first chakra. So many systems and organs are connected to the first chakra because level of safety, security, and protection affect basically the whole body. So how to heal your first chakra? To heal your first chakra, you need to bring your first chakra to the level of safety. There is a spiritual meaning attached to the first chakra, which is all is one, or all for one, one for all, like in Three Musketeers. So you need to make your first chakra vibrate with all is one vibrations. So how to do that? You need to tune into your first chakra, visualize red ball of energy rotating at the base of your spine. Feel this red ball growing. Then you can clean your first chakra using your hands. How to do it, I will show you in the next video. So how to clean chakras. So cleansing chakras using your hands. You can apply these methods to all chakras, not only to one chakra, but all chakras is the same technique. And then after cleansing the first chakra, you need to strengthen it. It means putting positive constructive energy into the first chakra after cleansing, and the positive energy will be red color. So I will show it in another video.